Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious eggless chocolate mousse. We will start by gathering our simple, yet essential, ingredients. The foundation of a truly great mousse begins with selecting high-quality dark chocolate, ideally with a cacao content of 60 to 70%, for that deep, rich flavor. You will also need cold, heavy cream, a touch of sweetener like granulated sugar or maple syrup, and a dash of vanilla extract to elevate the overall taste. Let's get started. Next, we prepare our two main components. First, gently melt about 200 grams of your chosen dark chocolate. A double boiler method works best to prevent burning, ensuring the chocolate becomes smooth and glossy without any lumps. While that cools slightly, whip 480 milliliters of very cold, heavy cream until it forms soft, billowy peaks. It is important not to overwhip, as this can lead to a grainy texture, which we definitely want to avoid for a silky mousse. Now for the magic. This step is crucial for achieving that signature light and airy texture. Take your slightly cooled melted chocolate and gently fold it into the whipped cream. Use a spatula and mix with a light hand, ensuring you do not deflate the air you have incorporated into the cream. Once fully combined, spoon the mixture into individual serving dishes or glasses. Then, place them in the refrigerator to chill for a minimum of 4 hours, allowing the mousse to set perfectly. Finally, it is time to enjoy your homemade eggless chocolate mousse. Before serving, you can add a beautiful garnish like fresh raspberries, a sprinkle of cocoa powder, or delicate chocolate shavings. For an extra layer of flavor, try adding a tiny pinch of sea salt to the top, which really makes the chocolate pop. You could also stir in a teaspoon of espresso powder for a delightful mocha variation. This delicious dessert will keep well in the refrigerator for up to 3 days.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.